Ano ba yan? Bibigyan na naman ako ng libro. Pagbutihin mo pa sa susunod, anak ha, para makapasok sa with honors. Ano kayang gagawin ko?
Ang Project Aral o Academic Recovery and Accessible Learning Program ay isinasagawa upang tulungan ng mga estudyante na magkaroon pa ng pagkakataong matuto ng mas malalim at matutukan ng mga may mababang antas ng kaalaman sa pagbasa. By teaching reading skills, we help communities break poverty and build a brighter future. Through Aral, we provide quality reading materials, a positive and supportive learning environment. Participate to improve reading comprehension, increase confidence, and empower minds to create a hopeful future.
Sa pamamagitan ng reading program, magiging epektibo ito upang makamit ng mga estudyante ang pangarap na kanilang inaasam.
Bawat bata ay bumabasa. Bawat letra may pag-asa.
Sama-sama sa pag-arangkada.
Sa bawat libro, may pagbabago.
Sa pagbukas ng bagong kabanata, parang books na fresh from the shelf. May bagong lessons, bagong journey, at bagong pag-asa na naghihintay.
Is the ARAL program. This program is really important, especially in the development of the reading skills of you, my dear learners, especially to the frustration readers.
Very good. Continue reading, okay? As one, we explore the adventurous journey of books filled with valuable lessons.
In every action, no matter how big or small, it has the power to change someone's life.